Melissa is one student who stood out and had her own opinion on nutritious foods.
In terms of the Smart Food project, we're trying to introduce into our culture that you do not necessarily have to be eating animal proteins. You can also do plant proteins, which are more way nutritious than the animal proteins.
What are we going to make today?
So today we're going to make ugali that is made from pure sorghum flour.
Normally, what is it made from?
Maize flour, normally.
This is the volcano?
Hold up. This is something.
One direction or it doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter. No, may I please do it? Not like really stirring.
Okay. Go ahead. How do you feel when you're cooking?
I'm at peace. I'm my best self at that particular time. I do not have to be somebody else. I'm just me.